Alright, so for Formula SAE, Realis Simulation sponsors Wave licenses, and I had no idea what I was doing when I first started, so I'm just making a tutorial for people on my team and people on other teams, just to figure out what they're doing, because it's complicated and annoying. So you're going to see my screen here now. First thing you're going to do is install it. Contact Realis and get a license, and they'll help you out with all that stuff. I'm assuming you have a license, you have it installed. So what you're going to do first is you're going to launch Rdesk. So you just search Rdesk in your, whatever, and it's going to give you this nice page here. And this is going to be like your basic starting point for launching files, simulations, and like the data showing software, the stuff that like shows you your results. For Formula SAE, they've actually kindly given us a basis to start with everything you need. So what you're going to want to do is go into your file explorer. You're going to start with this PC, then like your main drive, whatever it is, program files, Realis Simulation 2024 or whatever year this is, products, then Wave examples, engine database, and then 0.6 liter motorbike super sport. And what this does is it gives you a starting off point for, I believe it's a CBR 600. It might not be, it might just be generic. I don't know what the cam profiles are. I don't know about the heat transfer coefficients. I don't know what they used as basis for that stuff. But it is a starting off file. And this is going to give you really far into the software really quickly. Oops, I opened the wrong one. You want the Wave session file here. There's a bunch of different ones. I don't fully know the extent of which one does which yet, and I'm not going to claim to. But I do know the basics on how to get the software going and go from there. My laptop is heating up. I just got a new laptop. I already did this whole process, and then my laptop died. So I'm just making a video as I go through, and I'm just making sure it's recording. Making a video as I go through to show everybody how this works. But right now this has 4 throttle bodies, and this, I'm assuming if you're using this software, you know that we're only allowed 1 throttle body, and our restrictor is, we have a restrictor as well, so all that stuff is different. But this is a very good starting point. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly run this. What you want to do is go over to this guy, Wave Solver 1, click this run button. Alright, so now that it's done, what you can do is come up to this little guy up here, and this is the RPost viewer. So what this does is it lets you interpret the data and understand what it just did. Because right now it's not telling you, it's not showing you any results. So it's going to just automatically pop up with this window that says selected report, and you're just going to click finish, and then it's going to open that report. So what we can do now, just get this guy up here, is you want to go to all cases right here, and then you want to go to your, let's give this guy a little more space. You want to go to your engine block. So this is the easiest place to get most of your data from. So if you want torque, brake torque, whichever one you want, throw it on the graph. Power, horsepower, brake bhp, and then right now, like, wait, why is there so much power down here? And it's like showing cases down here. So one of the nice things is you can actually put the RPM as your x-axis, so you can now see your curves. So now you're getting your engine speed across all the different RPMs. If you want your data to be like match up more properly, you can change the thing. So the minimum and maximum for the brake power is 20 and 140. So we'll edit the brake torque 20, 140, and now you're seeing an accurately scaled version of the information that you were just looking at. And of course it crosses over at 5250, because if you know, you know. And then yeah, now you have your quick, dirty dyno curve that Wave thinks your vehicle is going to produce, or your engine is going to produce for that matter. Really simple, really easy to get this information, but the real stuff comes in is when you're defining your model.